Every diamond begins buried deep in violence and pressure.
Extraction is brute force, nothing elegant yet. Raw value moves in tons, not carats. Only the surface decides what survives. Stone is reduced to reveal what hides inside. Separation begins before anyone sees a gem. Light exposes what the eye cannot. Volume collapses. Value concentrates. From this point, nothing moves casually. Security becomes part of the process. Nothing leaves unseen.
Extraction ends. Precision is next.
Identity is assigned before movement.
Every step is recorded.
Pause before transit.
Movement requires permission. Exposure is minimized. Security replaces trust.
Value leaves the source. Bad caser signaut.
Distance adds risk. Craft replaces extraction.
This is where shape is decided. Integrity is checked again.
Now, decisions begin. Before judgment, contamination is removed. Invisible motion cleans invisible residue. Nothing added. Nothing left behind. Surface clarity returns.
First impressions are never final.
Mass defines potential. Shape dictates strategy.
Color hides until forced to speak.
Perfection is rare. Knowledge is not.
Worth is assigned, not guessed.
Every cut starts with restraint.
The inside is mapped before the outside is touched.
The cut is decided before the blade moves. Once chosen, the plan is irreversible.
Guides are drawn where errors cannot exist. Light replaces chalk.
Separation begins slowly.
Hardness yields to patience. Force is measured, not applied.
Nature decides the break.
Rough gives way to intention.
Microns matter.
Control is transferred.
Geometry becomes visible. Balance is built, one face at a time. Mistakes are cheapest when caught early. Polish starts before contact. Fractions decide brilliance.
Light begins to respond.